Guarantweed.
Hey guys, how was your weekend?
Well, actually, my mom's in the hospital.
Yeah, that's nice. So, you guys want to see my fire pit I built?
Nope. Every day with this guy.
Hey Cassandra, look what I made. I did it myself. Well, I did have some help from
Seriously,
my
is he
dad,
doing this
my
right
uncle,
now?
and my neighbor, but I
God
was the one that
damn it.
organized it all.
Not now!
Hey, there's my buddy Sneakers. Want to see my fire pit I built? Hey, Devontae, my bro. Want to see my fire pit I built?
A word.
You alright, homie?
Yup.
Everything tight, yo?
Yup.
Want to see pictures of my pit? It's the bomb, yo.
Yeah.
I built it all this weekend. It was hard work for show. Nah, I mean?
Really?
You can come hang out at the crib and make some s'mores anytime, homie.
Alright.
Ooh, time to go home. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they do.
Want to see my fire pit I built?
This is the longest minute ever! Thank God!
And one of these days, these boots are gonna. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they do. And one of these days, these boots are gonna.
Want to see my fire pit I built?
Looks pretty good to me.
A word. Yeah. Yup. Really?
Want to see my fire pit I built?
Alright.